Are you looking for the best app to manage your investments and finances? Today, we are comparing Trade Republic and Revolut, two popular platforms with unique strengths. Whether you are investing in stocks or managing day to day expenses, we have got you covered. Let's dive in. Trade Republic is a commission free trading platform based in Germany, focusing on simple stock and ETF investing. It's perfect for long-term investors looking for the affordable options. Revolut, on the other hand, is a global financial app offering everything from currency exchange to budgeting tools, alongside basic stock and crypto trading. It's known for its versatility and user-friendly design. While both offering trading, their focus uh, and features are quite different. Let's break down the features. Trade Republic offers commission, free stock and ETF trading with minimal fees for certain transactions, provides access to a wide range of securities including fractional shares and ETFs, features a simple and minimalist app designed for beginner investors. Revolut combines banking services with invest tools, includes multi-currency accounts, crypto trading, budgeting tools, and premium card benefits. Allows basic stock trading but with limited of options compared to Trade Republic. Here's an example. If your primary goal is investing in stocks and ETFs, Trade Republic offers more options and better pricing. But if you want an all-in-one app for banking and trading, Revolut delivers more versatility. Pricing is a major factor when choosing a platform. Trade Republic charges no commission for stock and ETF trades but has a small fee of $1 per transaction for external costs. There are no account maintenance fees, making it an affordable option for long-term investors. Revolut offers a free plan for basic trading, but higher tier plans such as premium and metal include additional perks like free trades and better customer support. Keep in mind, Revolut's trading fees can add up if you exceed your monthly free trade limit. If you are strictly investing, Trade Republic's pricing is hard to beat. However, Revolut's premium plans might appeal to users looking for additional banking features. Both platforms offer sleek, modern apps, but they cater to different audience. Trade Republic's app is designed for simplicity, focusing on investments. It's ideal for users who prefer a straightforward experience without distractions. Revolut's app is packed with features from trading and budgeting to global money transfers. While versatile, it can feel overwhelming for users just looking to invest. So, if you want a focused investment tool, Trade Republic wins. But if you are after a multifunctional financial app, Revolut is the better choice. Here's a quick overview of the pros and cons. Trade Republic pros: low cost investing, simple and beginner friendly, excellent for European investors. Trade Republic cons: limited to investments, no additional banking features, only available in select countries. Revolut pros: all in one app for banking, trading, and budgeting. Great for frequent travelers with multi-currency support. Offers crypto and commodities trading. Revolut cons. Limited investment options compared to Trade Republic. Premium features require paid subscriptions. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize focused investing or all around financial management. So, which one should you choose? If you are an investor looking for an affordable and straightforward platform, Trade Republic is your best bet. But if you are seeking a versatile app to manage your finances, trade stocks, and even budget your expenses, Revolut has more to offer. It all boils down to your financial goals and lifestyle. Choose the platform that aligns with your needs. That's it for today's comparison to Trade Republic and Revolut. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the description for more helpful resources. See you in the next video.